Hi, in this video, I will show you how to add light into your image. First, I will create a color balance layer. Then I select Brush tool. And fill black color and mask. Create a gradient fill layer. Style, radial, reverse. In blend mode, I choose soft light. I will move the image to our tab. Press Ctrl or Command and T and rotate the image. Enter. Then I choose screen option in blend mode. Press Ctrl or Command and T. Enter. Create a mask in layer 1. Then I select Brush tool. And use Brush tool to erase the outline of the image. Next, I will create a gradient maps. Reduce opacity, 60%. And erase some parts of gradient map layer by fill black color in the mask with Brush tool. I will move this image to our tab. Press Ctrl or Command and T. Enter. In blend box, I select screen option. Create a mask in layer 2. And use Brush tool to erase the outline of the image. Finally, I make a curves adjustment layer. Thank you for watching. Click subscribe and follow more videos.